What's up, guys? Coach Cowden here, aka Skyler, right? And I want to welcome you guys to the YouTube channel and just thank you guys for being a part of this, right? Because you guys are obviously interested in the crypto NFT space, where you guys are a crypto trader like myself, and you guys are here to learn, right? Obviously, this channel is just for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just one of those guys trying to teach you guys what it is that I've learned in the space and what's helped me become a profitable trader. And today I want to talk about a program, an AI Harmonic Scanner system that I'm utilizing in the markets on a day-to-day basis that's helped me take out the legwork and the chart markups, helped me utilize my time a little bit better to be able to spend it as a single father, as somebody that wants to be a part of my daughter's life, right? This has given me more access and the ability to be able to do so. And so I want to show you guys that. Real quick, as you guys see, another Those Guys merchandise has dropped. Peaky Blinders style. I love it. I absolutely love it. But today's style, Peaky Blinders, right? We're in the markets legally robbing banks, and I absolutely enjoy that, right? So guys, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you guys this amazing AI technology harmonic scanner that I'm utilizing. And if this is something that you guys have been sent, right, you're already a part of the team, and thank you so much for being a part of our community and supporting what it is that we do. If you guys are just checking out this YouTube video and this is something that catches your interest, please feel free to message me on the YouTube channel, or guys, I'm going to drop in the description a quick link with an overview video and things like that, giving you guys access to, if you do decide to partner with us and become a part of the community, giving you guys access to our Telegram chat, our Discord channel, and so much more, as well as being able to be my friend, right? And get to be a part of this awesome community and what we're doing here with those guys. So guys, real quick, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks and just talk a little bit about this harmonic scanner. So let's share screen. Boom. Share screen, guys. As you can see, I've got ETH USD pulled up, one of my favorite pairs. It's obviously, I don't know when you guys are checking out this video, but for me, while I'm making it, it is a Friday night. This harmonic scanner is set up to help you guys utilize trading in so much more than just crypto. Crypto is one of the amazing things that I'm able to trade, and why I love to trade it so much is it gives me the ability to trade it 7 days a week, right? But this harmonic scanner was built for things like Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, as well as cryptocurrencies and a couple other things, right? But today the markets are closed down. It's Friday, Black Friday, right? And markets are shut down. But ETH USD, it's a cryptocurrency and it trades 7 days a week. So I have ETH USD pulled up on the charts here. Now, I'm somebody that likes to scout, but I also look for like verified entry points. And so as you guys can tell up here in the left-hand corner, we've got ETH USD on the 5 minute, and we're looking at candles, right? Now, what's cool, guys, is you're going to see this floating pattern box right here. You can actually move this around, get it out of your way to look at the charts. You guys can actually access the time frames. You can change the time frames and stuff like that. We're going to look here. I'm going to show you real quick the 1 hour and just show you some of the entry points that's called out earlier that actually helped me catch a couple bags. So guys, again, we're on ETH USD. I've got the floating pattern box here. We can actually, show or hide all. You can actually hit this little thing right here, the three little lines here. You can hit that to hide the floating pattern box if you want to, or you can pull it up on your screen and move it around. So as you guys see, bunch of colors on the screen, bunch of marks up. You're like, what the heck? What can this do for me? Well, let me show you. You can actually come over here and you can see one of the favorite patterns that I like to trade is Wedge. So we're going to pull up the Wedge right here. Reason why I love to trade Wedge so much is this showed this wedge formation. I do believe when it showed it earlier and after the breakout on the Wedge, this is indicating that it's a sell. It's showing that it's going to go down. The trend is strong, right? And it showed that it broke out on entry A. Okay. When this did this, right, it broke out on 4507.92. This happened around, let's see, November 25th, about 6 p.m. or 21st, 6 p.m. is when that happened, right? And we can see that, and we came into a strong sell, and this called it, right? Gave us an entry of 4507. target, and it just blew past that target, right? I ate profit all the way down on that sell. I caught this luckily because of a couple features that I'm going to show you guys that allow us to set up notifications to be alerted so we don't have to stare at the charts all day. But I want to show you a couple other patterns, guys. So if you just come to the pattern here, we got crab. Again, it shows us an entry, a 45.66, another selling point. It came into that. We can zoom in and see, like, boom, right there. It shows you, it's smacked into there. Hit sell, ride that thing down. We're getting it around there. And again, target 1, target 2, blowing past those entries with a risk to reward, guys, of 3.53, right? So I want to point out a couple of things that I look for. I only trade a couple different patterns, but if I'm going to utilize a pattern, I'm always going to make sure that it shows above a 3% on the risk to reward. Why? I can get into that in more detail in another video, but it's just more confirmation as to this trade's actually going to hit or come close to hitting, allowing me more risk to reward than risk, right? And helping me make money in the markets. So we have another right here, guys. We have Gartley on the buy. Again, it called it way over here a couple days ago, about last week on the 19th, right? And it shows you the entry point, hit buy. And again, target 1, target 2, smacked those. And then obviously we're looking at other indicators that came out a couple days later with the sell. So I'm going to show you guys another time frame because it's going to be more accurate to as of what we're doing right now. And that's the 5-minute, right? So it's showing us our trend is weak because we're seeing some massive consolidation right here. So the trend's weak, neutral. We're seeing more buys than we are sells, but let's take a look at a couple of these, right? So we have the shark pattern. Again, guys, it showed this earlier today. About 1 o'clock, it told us to, throw a buy in. I actually did that, smacked a couple take profits, right? I moved my target 2 to I trailed my stop loss, right? I'm still riding this this buy because of a couple other patterns that have been showing up here like this, right? We've got the bat again, but this is with a sell, and it's got a 3.34 risk to reward, and it's showing us here that we might actually come back up to this point, which eventually we will, but then it's showing right now that we're going to come in. So I'm riding a take profit right now, hopefully up into this area, going to catch some bags, and then I'm going to catch the downward trend based off of what this chart markup and shows me later on in the next couple days, maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow. If we reach this point, I'm going to come into the hour, look at that. But I'm not here to show you guys my trading style. I'm just here to show you and help you utilize the program that I'm utilizing to become a successful trader. So guys, that's kind of how we utilize the floating pattern box, looking at the different types of charts, the different time frames and things like that. Obviously, each time frame is going to show you a different type of pattern on there. Right here, we see the wedge. Let's look at this wedge because I love trading the wedge or the triangle here. It's not a wedge there, the triangle. So it shows us that the entry is here. This is a buy triangle. It obviously broke out of the triangle. If it broke out of the triangle, you're going to slap your buy here, giving you another target entry, 41.70, another confirmation on the 15 that I'm safe holding the buy that I'm currently in, which I do scalping, but I also do intraday and long-term trades. And so the one that I'm holding right now, earlier it started as a scalp. I pulled a couple, I think I took 3 trades, took 2 of them, closed them in profit, and moved my entry or my stop loss into profit, right? Hoping that it doesn't come back down based off of a couple patterns that this has given me, as well as some of, just the education that I've learned over the years and applied to the charts myself, right? But this is taking the legwork out of it, okay? And let me show you how much legwork this takes out for us, right? Because we have the most amazing feature, my favorite feature is the monitor and the notification section, right? The monitor section, it shows you guys, like right here, I'm slapping both these trades, ETH, BTC, right? But I'm gonna take you guys into the settings and show you how to set this up, right? So this one that we're looking at, this is my NOS pattern, right? That's an indice that I like to trade. And I'm going to show you guys the patterns that I like on that, as well as that I like on crypto. It gives us access to change all of that, right? And what it wants us, like what we want it to look for. So as a scalper, as an intraday trader, as any type of trader, I have it set up on the minute 5, minute 15, minute 30, hour 1, hour 4, and day. I want it to send me all of that. I have Forex, bonds, commodities, all of that stuff turned off on this type of pair and trading style, and I only have it on indices with a couple different patterns, right? Now, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. Obviously, this video is just for educational purposes only. So, you don't have to utilize what I do or set your charts up the same way that I do. This is just something that I like to utilize, right? So I like to trade with bat, wedge, cup and handle, alternate bat, triangle, and butterfly. Why? Typically, I see those patterns trading above a 3% reward to a risk. And I do not like trading anything below the three because I just see more accurate trades coming from these patterns at above a 3 on the reward to risk, right? So guys, then we come over here to security. We can apply what it is that we're looking for. The only thing that I have on there right now is NOS, right? But I have a couple. I have crypto set up as well, and obviously all of those are on because all I have it looking at is crypto. My settings again, around the same, but I have the crypto applying to all of the markups because I like to look at the different views for my crypto. So what I'm going to show you guys next is the coolest part of this. So once we get all our settings set up, we figured out how to utilize this. We figured out our trading plan, our trading style, what we like to look at, what gets us the best reward to the risk ratio. Then we can come over here to the notifications, guys, and it's going to start applying notifications that we're going to be able to get throughout the day. Well, Skylar, how do I get this? It looks like a computer program, right? Well, we have this amazing app called Telegram, communication app, and this actually links up with Telegram that then will pull this up and show you guys that it's been sending me signals all day that I can utilize through my phone. And I get the chart and everything right there showing me the entry point, the target, and everything of what it is that I'm looking for, allowing me to enter the market on a market execution, possibly set up, like a buy limit, a sell limit, or, other different types of trades that I can enter throughout the day. And I can do this on the go, giving me the time freedom that I love to be able to have. And that's why I'm a trader, is because of the time freedom and the access to the amount of money that I can make in a daily time throughout the market, giving me the time throughout the day to be able to spend with my family. So guys, those are just some of the key points that I like about Monero and what it's given us access to. So again, guys, if this video was sent to you by somebody, right, that means that they're already a part of the community. And so thank you, because you're a part of the community. You've probably already had conversation with me. So if you have any more questions about this and how to utilize this, maybe, reach out to me. Let's get on a call. Let's figure this out together, right? But if you're just checking this out and you're just now watching my YouTube channel and you're like, Skylar, how do I become a part of this, guys? In the description below, there's going to be a link that's going to take you through the process of how to become a member of those guys and utilize some of the systems that we're taking advantage of to help us become successful traders. I want to thank you now for becoming a part of the team. And if not, I'm going to see you guys on the next video, right? So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It does help us out. It does give back, because what we're here to do is help you guys grow and educate as traders in the crypto space, the Forex space, and so much more. Again, guys, thanks for being a part of those guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.